In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete folders from media storage in DaVinci Resolve. This is a very quick task, but it's important to understand exactly what's being removed so you don't accidentally delete something you still need in your project. If you're organizing clips, cleaning up unused folders, or just trying to keep your media area neat and easy to navigate, this process will help. To begin, go to your media pool in DaVinci Resolve. This is the area where your project's bins and media are organized. So, if you already have several folders set up, this is where you'll find them. Take a moment to look through the list and locate the folder you want to delete. It's a good idea to double-check the folder name before removing it, especially if you're working in a larger project with multiple bins that may look similar. Once you've found the correct folder, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options related to that folder. From that menu, choose Remove Bin. As soon as you click that option, the folder will be removed from the media pool. And that's it. The folder is now deleted from your project's media organization. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that this action removes the bin from the media pool structure, so it's mainly about cleaning up your project organization inside DaVinci Resolve. Because of that, it's smart to make sure you no longer need that folder for sorting or grouping clips before removing it. If you're unsure, pause for a second and confirm that you're deleting the right bin. This is especially useful when you've created temporary folders during editing and no longer need them, or when you want to simplify the layout of your project before moving on to the next stage of your workflow. Keeping your media pool clean can make it much easier to find clips quickly and stay organized while editing. So again, just open the media pool, find the folder you want to delete, right-click it, and select Remove Bin. That's the full process. If you follow those steps carefully, you'll be able to remove unwanted folders from your DaVinci Resolve media storage area in just a few seconds.